On a donc commencé avec deux morceaux extraits du premier album de Hathaway qu'il avait sorti en 2011 qui s'appelle Overload sur son label Tapnat Music. C'était Jabless et Braveheart. On va continuer avec deux autres extraits de cet album. C'est Overload qui sera suivi de Now. Yes, donc on est avec Hideaway dans les studios. So we are with Hideaway, live and directing Radio Canu on Crucial Reggae Time. It's the name of the radio show.
Crucial Reggae Time.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Give thanks. Yes, look.
Yes.
Radio Canu. Yeah, man. Leon France, you know. Hideaway there, seeing.
Ok, donc on va lui demander de se présenter. Please, Hideaway, could you introduce yourself? Where do you come from? Il vient de Jamaïque, je précise, mais je lui pose la question.
Yeah, my name is Hideaway, and I'm from Saint Anne, Jamaica. Little town called Prickly Pole. You know, Saint Anne up in the hills, like 3 miles away from Bob Marley's place, 9 miles. Same little community, you know. Just love reggae music and, you know.
Donc il vient de Jamaïque et de la commune de Sainte-Anne. Donc je crois que c'est perché dans les collines et bon c'est la commune dont est issu, est né Bob Marley. Je crois qu'il y a Burning Spear aussi. Burning Spear was from Sainte-Anne.
Yeah. Actually, I live in St. Anne's Bay and few houses from Burning Spear as a kid going to school. Yeah, so you know, St. Anne is the whole connection, man, a whole bunch of...
Il habitait pas très loin de chez Burning Spear, en fait, c'est ça. Hein? You didn't live far from Burning Spear's place. Yeah, yeah. Mm. And, in French, first. Donc, comment tu as découvert, tu es venu à la musique? How did you come to music?
Well, music is something I've been feeling from a kid. As a little kid, I've been playing music in the church, you know, going to church with my mom and dad. And learning to play the guitar, then, you know, moved to Kingston from St. Anne in my early 20s and started playing with people like Sugar Minott and a lot of other artists, you know. But Sugar Minott was, you know, one of them.
Youth Promotion.
Youth Promotion, yes.
Donc, en fait, il a commencé petit, à l'église avec son papa et sa maman. Et donc après il a bougé sur Kingston à la petite vingtaine quoi, et il a commencé avec le grand artiste Sugar Minott, Sugar Boogie Minott, voilà, qui s'occupait du label Youth Promotion, du sound system Youth Promotion. You were playing guitar with him?
Yeah, guitar.
Ok, donc il était guitariste.
Yes.
When was it? Quelle année à peu près? 90s?
It was in like, you know, 96, 97, anywhere from around that.
Ok.
Up, you know.
Ok, à peu près en 96, 97, voilà.
Yeah.
Oui, parce que Sugar Minott, donc il a déjà joué à Lyon, hein, il y a longtemps, l'année 2001, si je me souviens bien. Et donc il est décédé en 2009. I think he died in 2009, no? Something like that.
Yeah. Somewhere. Yeah, like 10. Yeah, somewhere.
Yeah, maybe.
Not so sure, but.
Ouais. À peu près une dizaine d'années, voilà, c'était un gars artiste qui faisait beaucoup pour son quartier aussi avec son sound system, quoi. Il s'occupait un peu des youths du ghetto, quoi. Said that he was with his sound system, his label, he was helping youth from the ghetto,
Yeah.
It was in what? Where was it?
Motown in the ghetto, you know.
Okay.
Seriously. Yeah, ghetto Motown.
Ghetto Motown.
Sugar Man.
Voilà.
Yeah, for real.
C'est ça, le ghetto Motown.
I a lot of artists that I encounter with or, you know, come to know was around that place, seriously, like all of them, you know, most of them. So Sugar Man, you know.
Et donc pour parler d'Hideaway, on discutait un petit peu avant l'émission. Il a joué à Lyon en 98. On en reparlait, c'est ça. You played in Lyon in 98, yeah, with a Mystic Revelation of Rastafari. Donc il a fait partie des Mystic Revelation of Rastafari. Donc il était bassiste dedans, également guitariste. You were a bass player and guitarist too.
Yes. Because you know different songs call for different stuff with Mystic and. You just do what is necessary, you know.
Yeah.
And I was blessed to be able to play both instruments, so it was a good fit at the time for the band.
Et en fait, Mystic Revelation of Rastafari, selon les morceaux qu'il joue, en fait, il passait de la basse à la guitare, c'était pour s'accorder au rythme de la musique, en fait. Voilà, c'est ça. Combien d'années tu as joué, tourné avec eux? How many years did you play with them?
Maybe 10 or 12, something like that.
You started in 98?
98, yeah.
98, ok. Donc il a commencé à 98, il a joué une dizaine d'années avec eux. Après, il a fait une carrière solo. Il a commencé une carrière solo. So, after you started a solo career, how did it happen?
Well, I've always been writing songs, but never get the chance to play them, and touring with Mystic. Actually, Brusai was a big part of, me like coming out as Itawe, because on Overload CD, Brusai produced like maybe 6 songs, or I think, Long Road, Now Is the Time, Babylon Bridge, a lot of songs, Renald Bruno, they can tell you, Eric. So it was a big inspiration for me, because I was touring with Mystic at the time, and they asked me to come to studio to do something with them, but the studio was in a hotel room, which I wrote like 8 songs that night, so I was really, they inspired me, I should say. So to come back and do some work with even one member from the band, I feel pleased.
Donc en fait, ce qui s'est passé, c'est que il écrivait des chansons depuis des années, et puis il pouvait pas les jouer avec Mystic Revelation of Rastafari, donc il a eu envie de faire sa carrière. Il a eu une connexion avec Brusai, donc on fait un big up à Renald dans les studios, yes.
Yep.
Et donc c'est comme ça en fait qu'il a enregistré son premier album Overload, où d'après ce que j'ai compris, Brusai a produit 6 chansons, et en fait il avait la vibes avec eux, parce que il me semble qu'il a raconté qu'il était dans un car là, et il a écrit 3 ou 4 chansons dans la nuit d'un coup comme ça, parce qu'il était avec eux, et voilà, il avait le feeling et la vibes. What are we gonna do? Play music, okay? You're not gonna sing right now, but a little later, okay?
Right.
So we come back to music. Donc on va revenir à la musique avec son album qui est sorti en 2017, qui s'appelle Judgment. Alors on s'écoute les tunes Make It, avec à la fin il y a marqué Rainy Day, Make It Rainy Day et Judgment Day.
Make it rain. Yes, right.
Oh na na boy, boy, oh na na boy, oh na na boy, yeah. I know that we are gonna make it. No chains around our feet, we already breaking. I know that we are gonna make it. No chains around our feet, we already breaking. So when we lift it come at this faith and I run rat race, I won't give them the time of day. You just can never replace. Now we race what the Almighty created, yeah. One another place where I find grace and eat all my pain and wash my troubles away. Rainy day, rainy day, rainy day, yeah. I know that we are gonna make it. No chains around our feet, we already breaking. I know that we are gonna make it. No chains around our feet, we already breaking. Do you remember in the modern days? They bought them so lion slave. And even now in this modern age, they wanna keep the chains upon our brain. But I said no, not again. Ain't gonna be a puppet on the string. Come let me tell you something, and remember this one thing: who is the King of Kings? I know that we are gonna make it. No chains around our feet, we already breaking. I know that we are gonna make it. No chains around our feet, we already breaking. do. I say you are gonna be. You are gonna be. Jaja say love you. And if you don't do, I say you can't get away. Here comes your judgment day. I see you walking, passing, from them you're masking. What a thing, but you can't get away. I know you can't get away. For all the wrongs that you do with the triggers you're squeezing. I know you can't get away. Here comes the judgment day. Why you do the things you know I say you shouldn't? Now you're running up and down, and I walla in a problem. It's not the same day. Leave for water, bottom it rotten. So you can one day show up in your silk and your satin. Jaja say love you.
Toujours Crucial Reggae Time, Hideaway dans les studios. On s'est écouté donc Make It, Rain Day, Judgment Day. On se passe encore deux tunes extraites de son album Judgment. Donc c'est Never Fade Away et Battlefield. Et après on fera du freestyle, du singing, live and direct.
I wanna know what you're fighting for. Every day you get up, it's another war. Will somebody tell me what you're fighting for? Say what is joke to you is dead to me. Red blood in my eyes seems like you've never seen. And what is to be has got to be. Why you got my people still fighting to be free? Pan them battlefield, pan them battlefield, pan them battlefield, ooh, pan them battlefield. Get your soldiers, pan them battlefield. Beat them still, youth and youths them get a deal. Pan them battlefield, pan them battlefield. Whoa, 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 yeah. Each time you fight the war, you say you win when you are the one with the most victims. But in this war, no one can ever win, cause when this one ends, another one begins. Open them battlefield. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want them Rasta. Yaka, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, now the Rasta, you see the Rasta. Yaka, yaka, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yaka, yeah. The street, man. Yaka, yeah, yeah, yeah. What's our middle? Yaka, yaka, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yaka, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, na, na, yeah. Them a worship idol, while I'm on out there fighting for survival. Eliminate all rivals. Waves when the right people call them title. Leave her alone, she a my gal. She don't want you see the asterisk in the final. Bust big tune with original. Can't get me out with your digital, cause I know them old time years was Scamania coulda never fade away. And I'm sure that the younger ones today, they're gonna find a way. Cause we trod the rocky road in the garrison every day to give love to my people and watch all the children play. Yeah, even in my subliminal, don't know say me not far with no criminal. One time me talk on the final, say me don't want no red meat, give me the ital. This ya one ya gone viral. People them a read them say that it official. Yeah, yaga yeah. Yes, I know. Them more time this Rastaman ya woulda never fade away. And I'm sure that the younger ones today, they're gonna find their way. Cause we try the rocky road in the garrison every day to give love unto my people and watch how the children play. So we prefer open play than to ramp and play. Hear what me say, we work hard every day cause the bills must pay. Believe me, so let them run them out east, west, north and south. Can't get you out, children have no doubt, trees without roots.
On est toujours avec Hathaway dans les studios, donc on se passe une dernière chanson qui est extrait de son nouvel album. Rolling Stone is from your album to come soon.
Yes, it's coming on the Reload album.
Ok, c'est un album qui s'appelle Reload qui va sortir prochainement. Donc on s'écoute ce morceau-là et après il nous chantera sur la version de Rolling Stone.
Set them like a rolling stone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. So many miles away from home. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You gotta go. I'm like a dog without a bone, and I'm really missing home. Leave me alone. Keep me alone. Like a king without a throne, and I'm looking for my gold. Leave me alone. So I'm gone. I'm gone on the road again. I'll be gone for so long. I'll be back again. We don't California, Montana and Sunday, Utah. No, we there Colorado. Tonight we got a show, we gonna play in Durango. You want to see I in a Europe? Every stop when they make it a flap, it full up. In a France and in a Germany, them say them ready, and them want Hathaway. The Rolling Stone. Leave me alone. So many miles away from home. Make you leave me alone. Yeah. Said I'm like a rolling stone. Leave me alone. So many miles away from home. leave me alone. I'm like a dog without a bone, and I'm really missing home. Leave me alone. I'm like a king without a throne, and I'm looking for my gold. Leave me alone. So I'm gone. I'm gone on the road again. I've been gone for so long. I'll be back again. Yeah, me now. We done California, Montana, and Salt Lake, Utah. Now we there Colorado. Tonight we got a show we gonna play in Durango. You want to see I in a Europe. Every stop when we make it no flap, it full up. In a France and in a Germany, them say them ready, and them want I away. Ooh, the Rolling Stone. Leave me alone. So many miles away from home. Leave me alone. I'm like a dog without a bone, and I'm really missing home. Leave me alone. Like a king without a throne, and I'm looking for my gold. Leave me alone. That is why I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm on the road again. Ooh, yeah. I've been gone for so long. I'll be back again. And for all those places I haven't been, pretty soon my face you'll see, and my music you shall hear, playing a melody in your ears. The Rolling Stone. Yeah. Leave me alone. So many miles away from home. I beg you, leave me alone. That is why I'm gone. I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. I'm on the road again. Ooh, yeah. I've been gone for so long. I'll be back again. I'll be back again. Yeah, yeah. I'll be back again. Yeah, yeah. I'll be back again. But this song is called Sunshine in My Eyes, you know. I've got my kids, I've got my wife, I love my life, 'cause it's alright. I've walked the line many a times. So glad that I'm alive. Still can hear my baby cry. I play my guitar, sing my song. It won't be too long before you overstand. I'm a diehard musician. That's the kind I am. So if you see that sunshine in my eyes, it's because I'm dancing with the sky, greeting every bird that flies. And in the morning, when I rise, I'm so glad to be alive. Still can hear my baby cry. Go princess, go Imani, go Tajay and go get daddy. Go Kaya, go Ruby, go Orain and go get daddy now. Now, won't you go get daddy now? So if you see that sunshine in my eyes, it's because I'm dancing with the sky, greeting every bird that flies. And in the morning, when I rise, I'm so glad to be alive. I still can hear my baby cry. Go princess, go Imani, go Tajay and go get daddy now. Go Kaya, go Ruby, go Orain and go get daddy now. Now, won't you go get daddy now? Now, so if you see that sunshine in my eyes, it's because I'm dancing with the sky, greeting every bird that flies. And in the morning, when I rise, I'm so glad to be alive. Still can hear my baby cry. I'm so glad to be alive. I still can hear the eagle cry. I'm so glad to be alive. I still can hear my baby cry. I'm so glad to be alive. I still can hear the eagle cry.
C'était Hideaway Live and Direct sur Crucial Reggae Time. Et bon, c'est pas fini.
Yes, I.
On enchaîne avec une version chantée. Donc c'est extrait de son nouvel album qui s'appelle Reload. Je vais lui demander sur quel label. Il est toujours sur son propre label qui s'appelle...
The label?
Yeah, label of Reload.
Oh, Top Knot Music.
Ok.
Which is my label, yeah.
Ok, donc c'est toujours sur son label Top Knot Music, voilà, comme les deux précédents. Donc on s'écoute Reload. Préciser quelques petites choses aussi sur Hathaway. On a dit tout à l'heure qu'il était guitariste. Bon, il n'a pas pu venir avec sa guitare acoustique, mais il aurait pu le faire aussi. You could have come with your acoustic guitar, maybe that.
Yes,
C'est bon, c'est Radio Canu style, c'est un peu compliqué ici.
I love to do it like that too, you know, so next time.
Next time, donc la prochaine fois, il pensera peut-être ou ça sera possible. Donc le morceau Reload, je voulais dire une chose, c'est inspiration quand même. Au thème de voix, c'était bien bad à la Burning Spear et Joseph Hill. Yeah. Tone of your voice on this song sounds a little like
Joseph Hill.
Joseph Hill or Burning Spear.
You know, when I was writing this song, I was meditating culture, like just feeling that energy, and it just came out like that. I wasn't trying to sing and sound like him or anything, but I could feel his vibe, like it's a tribute to him, kind of. And a lot of songs on the album is like a tribute to one of the great. You know, like I have a song called Home Sweet Home, which I was feeling a Toots vibe, you know, when I was writing that one. So, you know, it's the way it is. I mean, the vibe you feel, if it's true, it come out in the music just like that. So we're not even trying to be anyone or anything, but we're just yourself. You understand? I mean, you only can do what the powers want you to be.
Donc voilà, il a bien compris ce que je lui ai dit, puisque c'est une sorte de tribute à Joseph Hill.
Yeah, man,
il écrivait la chanson, il pensait à lui et voilà. Et...
The inspiration that we get from, you know, them elders, I mean, and our ancestors, the man who set this and make this music, it's so much embedded in me that there's no reason that somebody should listen to a song and it don't remind them of one. It don't remind the person of one of the greats, because that's what it's all about, you know. Otherwise, it wouldn't be right.
Ah oui, son inspiration, elle vient des anciens, quoi, du reggae music, ceux qui ont créé ça, quoi. Et il a raison, parce que Roots and Culture, c'est la base pour ceux qui aiment le reggae. Il nous reste une petite dizaine de minutes. Donc, on va encore passer de la musique. C'est un instru qui s'appelle Not Just in Memories.
Shawty, oh Shawty, yeah. You know, come in on me bed. Stop play hide and seek in on me head. Oh Shawty, come in on me bed. Stop play hide and seek in on me head, yeah. Oh Shawty. Treading through the valley late at night, down in the Gideon. Single ride up on the bike, now carry no pillion. When me look, me see Shawty, I know me couldn't pass, you know. So I pull over, decide to take her for a ride. Someday, together we will be. Not just in memories. They say that we will never be, but I know they must be crazy. Little did I know, to my surprise, she stepped up on the bike. Say she want me take her for a ride, the club tonight. When me look, me see vehicle, more than 1 million people. That's when she told me, oh, she wanna hear my song. Someday, together we will be. Hear me please, not just in memories. They say that we will never be, but I know they must be crazy. Treading through the valley late at night, down in the Gideon. Single ride up on the bike, now carry no pillion. When me look, me see Shawty, I know me couldn't pass, you know. So I pull over, decide to take her for a ride. Someday, together we will be, not just in memories. They say that we will never be, easy, but I know they must be crazy. Someday, together we will be. Big up Crucial Reggae Times. Red Canoe. You don't know. You don't know my brethren. Florient. Select and chill. I always a big up, bless up. One love my people. Costa, Rena. All of the massive in the house. Yeah, Nana boy.
Il nous reste quelques minutes. Allez, on enchaîne avec l'instru Run Day et après on se passera un dernier tune qui s'appelle No Mediocre Vibe. Voilà. Allez.
La 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 la, hey. I've waited my turn. Still I'm concerned about that day. That day. I've paid my dues. Make no excuse about that day. That day. I've paid the price. Make sacrifice, hoping that one day we will find peace. But on that day, say that lightning, brimstone, earthquake, fire, and them can't get away. That day, say on that day, the fire keep blazing hotter and higher. The reparation today. Whoa, 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 yeah. La 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 la, yeah. I wanna go back to my home. One day, Africa's own is I'm at home. One day, I'll be going. Can you believe someone like me? Don't know my home. They take my lovage, my silver, my gold away from me. But on that day, say that lightning, brimstone, earthquake, fire, and them can't get away. That day, say on that day, the fire keep blazing hotter and higher. The reparation today. Can't give my life away to nobody. Got to preserve my energy. Don't have no fear. Must persevere. Hey. Sick and dead and gone down a cemetery. Fit and dread and still I walk the street. Be careful of robbers. Be careful of thief. Hey. Well, every day them gone a pharmacy. And afraid to drink the ganja tea. Take the veil off your eyes and you will see. But on that day, say that lightning, brimstone, earthquake, fire, and them can't get away. On that day, the fire keep blazing hotter and higher. The reparation today. La 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 la, whoa 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 whoa.
Merci. Hideaway. Big up,
Big
thanks. Thanks a lot.
Give thanks.
L'émission va
Thank you
bientôt
for
terminer. On se passe un dernier morceau, donc extrait de son album. It's gonna be in your Reload album, Mediocre Vibes, so it was out before.
Reload album, No Mediocre Vibe, Rolling Stone,
Ok.
all them songs, you know.
Donc,
You know?
Wicked tune.
Donc c'est un wiki tune. On le passe avant de laisser la place à Michel Boumang dans les studios.
And you know, Reload album is coming in July. I think the 12th of July we're planning on dropping
Ok.
that one.
Donc
so.
le 12 juillet, normalement, le Reload album doit sortir. Voilà.
Yes, I. So thanks a lot for the promotion and always, you know, thanks for, you know, giving reggae music some love. You know, we can't do without you people out there.
Okay.
Trust me. One love.
Thank you.
Et une petite chose, la semaine prochaine, on sera à une émission régulière, parce qu'il normalement devrait être là tous les trois, Flo, Steph et moi, pour une sélection de Scud. Ça fait longtemps qu'on n'a pas fait ça, puisqu'on a eu beaucoup d'invités. Allez, see you.
No time, no time, no time. No time at all. Rasta man, I tell you, no time. I and I man can bring it. And a mediocre vibe. Every night, I man have to sing it. And make the people feel the vibe. No time, I and I man can bring it. And a mediocre vibe. Post scripture, make selectors them spin it and make the people feel the vibe. Send me in at the dance hall tonight. Have a brand new tune and me ready for the mic. Give them a slice and everybody say it nice. I know my future is bright. Hey. So if you're coming at the dance hall tonight, no bother with your fuss, no bother with your fight. Leave all your worries and your troubles behind. Come have a jolly good time. Cause right now, no time, I and I man can bring it. And a mediocre vibe. Every night, overload me and be sing it. And make the people feel the vibe. Come alive, come alive. No time, I and I man can bring it. And a mediocre vibe.
– 19h-20h, Radio Canu 102.2, www.radiocanu.org.